Hey, it's Beetle J. I hope you're having a Beetle day, and Beetle J has a Beetle day every single day. And what I have here is the Beatles at the Beeb. Beatles at the Beeb. It's on Beeb Transcription Records. The reason I bought it is the cover. Now, this is a bootleg, and it's performances that they did at the BBC. And when I bought it, I hadn't researched the record at all, and I see Beeb Transcription Records. Transcription was used in the 50s. It just basically means an audio recording. And I thought, oh, cool, something directly from the BBC. But it was a bootleg. Now, we can be thankful for this bootleg because there was a series of them. I think there's 6 or 7 of Beatles at the Beeb. And basically they were, like I said, they were bootleg tapes that were circulated around to other Beatle fans. And it basically got people interested in this old material that would have been lost if it hadn't been for the bootleggers like this. And it eventually led to the official release of the Beatles at the BBC. I believe there's a couple volumes there. But anyways, the tracks on the record include I Saw Her Standing There, Do You Want to Know a Secret, Boys, Long Tall Sally, From Me to You, Money, That's What I Want, Side by Side, Too Much Monkey Business, Boys, I'll Be on My Way, From Me to You. That was all on side 1. On side 2, it's Some Other Guy, A Taste of Honey, Thank You Girl, From Me to You, Twist and Shout, reprise of From Me to You, Please Please Me, I Saw Her Standing There. As a whole, the fidelity and quality of the recordings is great. There's a couple tracks there that don't sound so good, but overall, primo. Peace out from Canada.